Morning children. Today we are continuing the exercise 17a. Listen. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and angle CBQ is equal to 48 degree and A is equal to 2B. Calculate the numerical value of B is the question. Here, consider triangle CBQ. In the triangle CBQ, this BCD is an exterior angle. Angle BCD is equal to sum of interior angles 48 plus B. Exterior angle is the sum of the opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angles. So this angle is equal to 48 plus angle BCD is equal to 48 plus B. Now, what about these two angles? These two angles are vertically opposite angles and they are equal in measure. That means angle ABP is equal to angle CBQ is equal to 48. Reason, vertically opposite angles. And now, what about this angle DAB? Angle DAB is the exterior angle of APB. Triangle, consider triangle APB. The exterior angle of this APB is DAB. This angle is 48. So this exterior angle is equal to A plus 48. DAB is equal to DAB is equal to A plus 48. Same reason. Exterior angle. Then here ADCB. This ADCB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, its opposite angles are supplementary. This angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the name of angle A? Angle DAB plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. What is angle DAB? A plus 48 plus what is angle DCB? DCB is the same as BCD. 48 plus B is equal to 180. 2A plus 96 is equal to 180. 2A plus 96 plus B. Sorry. A plus B plus 96 is equal to 180. A plus B is equal to 180 minus 96 is equal to 84. But given A is equal to 2B. 2B plus B is equal to 84 implies 3B is equal to 84 implies B is equal to 84 divided by 3 is equal to 28 degree. The value of B is 28 degree. Second question. In a circle, with center O, diameter AB, and a chord AD are drawn. Another circle is drawn. With AO as center, with AO as diameter, to cut AD at C. Prove that BD is equal to 2 into OC. This is C and this is the center. Name the center O, OC. This angle is 90. AOB, DC. This angle in a semicircle is 90. In a circle with center O, a diameter AB and a chord AD are drawn. Another circle is drawn with AO as diameter to cut AD at C. Prove that BD is equal to 2 OC. Prove that length BD is equal to 2 times OC. First, what is OA here? O is the center. O is the midpoint. OA is equal to half of AB. Since O is the midpoint of AB. Next one here, this OC perpendicular from the center bisects this. AD is a chord perpendicular from the center of a circle bisects the chord. So AC is equal to half AD. Perpendicular OC bisects the chord. Now this OC, this is ADB is a triangle and this is the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides is parallel to the third side, and the length of this is half of this OC is equal to half of BD. Next line, OC is equal to half of BD. Reason, line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is half the third side. Third side is BD. Half of BD is this OC. Line joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. Triangle is half of the third side. Therefore, 2OC is equal to BD. Thus, we proved BD is equal to 2 into OC. Hence, proved. Third question. Two unequal circles with centers A and B, with centers A and B intersect each other at points C and D. At points C and D, the center B of the smaller circle lies on the circumference of the bigger circle with center A if angle CMD is equal to x degree. Find in terms of x the measure of DAC. Figure. First we draw a larger circle. Its center this point as center. Draw a smaller circle. This point is B. C, D, M, X, A, N, N, A, D, C, B, X degree, M. This is the figure. Figure is given. Here we use the theorem since the angle at the center is double the angle at the remaining part of the circumference, therefore the circle with center O, this is the circle with center B, the circle with center B angle CBD. What about this angle? Angle CBD is equal to 2 angle CMD. 2 angle CMD is equal to 2x degree. The angle at the center is double the angle at the remaining part of the circumference of the circle. Therefore, in this circle, angle CBD is equal to 2 angle CMD. Double. This is 2x. Angle CBD is equal to 2 angle CMD is equal to 2x degree. Now, we consider the bigger circle. In the bigger circle, DBCN is a cyclic quadrilateral. DBCN is a cyclic quadrilateral. Its opposite angles are supplementary. Which are the opposite angles of this DBCN? One pair of opposite angles are these two. Angle CND plus angle CBD. These two angles are supplementary. That is angle CND plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree. What is CBD? We know CBD is 2x. Angle CND is equal plus 2x is equal to 180. So, angle CND is equal to 180 minus 2x degree. Again, angle at the center is double the angle at the remaining part of the circumference. We have what is angle DAC? Angle DAC. Again, angle at the center is double the angle at the remaining part of the circumference. What is angle DAC? From the figure, DAC, this angle is equal to 2 times angle DNC. This angle is equal to 2 times angle DNC. What is angle DNC? 2 times DNC means CND. 2 into 180 minus 2x is equal to 360 minus 4x degree. 360 minus 4x degree. Next question. Question number 4. The given figure shows a triangle ABC with angle DAC is equal to 56 degree and angle ABC is equal to 64 degree. Bisectors of angles A, B and C meet the circumcircle of the triangle ABC at points P, Q and R respectively. Find the measure of angle QPR. Figure. Bisectors RC, bisector of C. Next, bisector of A. This is the question. BPCQAR. Then the given figure shows a triangle ABC with angle DAC. Angle DAC is equal to 56 degree and ABC is equal to 64 degree, and bisectors of the angle AB and C meet the circumcircle of triangle ABC at points P, Q and R respectively. Find the measure of angle QPR. QPR means this full angle is the question. First we take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, given two angles are given. We have to find the third side. In triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equal to 180. With two angles are given. Angle DAC, ABC, BCA. What is ABC? 64 plus BCA. BAC 56. This is BAC. BAC 56. BAC. Angle BCA plus 56 is equal to 180 degree. Then angle BCA is equal to 180 minus 56 plus 4, 60 plus 60, 120 is equal to 60 degree. So angle BCA is equal to 60 degree. Now we look at angle QPA and QBA. Angle QPA and QBA. Listen, angle QPA. QPA and QBA belongs to same segment. This segments QPA and QBA belongs to angles of same segments. They are equal. Angle QPA is equal to angle QBA. Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. So they are equal. Equals. What is angle QBA? QBA is equal to half angle ABC. Listen, angle ABC is this angle. QBA is half of this. QBA is this full angle is given 64 degrees. So its half is half of 64 is equal to 32 degree. Angle QBA is equal to QBA is half of this ABC is equal to 64. Now angle RPA and RCA. RPA and RCA belongs to same segment. Angle RPA is equal to angle RCA is equal to, they are equal, they are belongs to same segment RPA and RCA belongs to same segment. They are half of angle ACB. Half of equals half angle ACB or BCA. ACB is equal to half of 60 equals 30 degree. Now we have to find the measure of QPR. QPR means QPA plus APR. Angle QPR is equal to angle QPA plus angle APR. What is QPA? QPA is equal to QPB is equal to 32 degree plus angle APR. APR is equal to 30 degree equals 32 plus 30, 62 degree. Thank you.